Now it's too far this way.
Hold on. Are you good on that side?
I guess.
It should kind of line up with this black rubber piece.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Put that thing in now.
Hey.
Oh,
what?
The light went on.
I told you it was working.
Jose, did you get an idea?
Yeah.
Did you get an idea?
Yeah. What's going on, guys? And for today's video, I'm gonna be hanging out with my friend Lewis. We're gonna be redoing the interior of his car. So we want to take off like the original roof lining he has and like put like a different fabric on there. We're also gonna do it on the side, on his side doors, side panels. But you guys have probably seen a couple YouTube videos on that, but we thought it'd be fun to make our video on it. So right now I'm actually gonna head out and pick him up, and then we're gonna go to a store called Joann's and see what kind of fabric they sell. So stay tuned, guys, and I will see you in a bit.
First mod, Cavalier.
It's a clip.
1948 Cavalier. Cord Empire.
Almost.
What are we doing?
Here, I'm gonna lift it up and you pull, okay? Ready? Watch out, Jose. Push it. Ah, fuck, dude.
Amateur.
You like stabbed me. Oh, I fucking hear it.
I think it's still alive, that's why.
No. Hit this in. It's not in. Watch out. Yeah, move. Like a fucking man, okay? And then this goes in right up there. And you just put that in. Alright. Now let's put this light in.
Dude, you're gonna break the bowl.
Dude, it's burning. Do you smell that? It's burning that, dude. Look. We need to take this bulb out. I don't need it. It's hot. Just let it cool.
Then you start driving. Go.
It was already about to start a fucking
Jose, my new mod is on fire.
Is this gonna spark it up though? This part right here?
No.
You don't think so?
It'll get super hard and
You wanna cut it
start
off?
lighting now.
You think so?
Yeah.
You want to cut it off?
This-
Give me the box cutter. Alright guys, so we just finished Lewis's car. As you can see, that's how the top came out. And then we decided to do his front dash just because it had a whole bunch of broken pieces, but you can't even tell at this point. And then we did the back as well. Wait, you can't see that. This is funny. It's pretty cool, honestly. Yeah, we tried doing these, but we couldn't get the door panel off, and I don't know, it became too complicated after that. But should I do this to the Accord or or no?